A New Mexico judge is calling Meta a public nuisance while ordering the parent company of Facebook and Instagram to pay more than $500 million. And that's on top of a $375 million penalty it had to pay earlier. Meg Oliver is here with all the details. Meg, good morning.
Adriana, good morning. The court ordered Meta to make major changes to its platforms and pay the largest sum yet in a series of lawsuits claiming social media harms young people. In this case, Meta was found liable for causing a teen mental health epidemic in New Mexico. The money will go into a fund to help youth in that state harmed by social media platforms like Instagram.
Now they must pay the price for the choice that they made to put profits over children's safety.
This week, New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres scored a second victory in court against Meta. On Thursday, a judge ordered the social media giant to pay more than $560 million for knowingly harming kids on social media.
The fact that they knew about these harms, that they were not forthcoming about the danger, they were not honest with parents and policymakers and families, not only in this state, but around the world.
Back in March, a jury ordered Meta to pay $375 million after agreeing with the Attorney General that Meta's platforms enable predators to engage in child sexual exploitation and that they are intentionally designed to make young users addicted. Combined with this week's ruling, nearly $1 billion is slated to go into a fund to help the state's youth harmed online. The bulk of the newly imposed fine will go towards treatment for affected kids. But the question remains, what impact will this have? Dr. Jeremy Hefner is a board-certified trauma surgeon and author on AI psychosis.
How significant is this latest ruling?
Oh, very significant. I think that if you look at just the sheer numbers, we understand that they're not admitting to anything. And in the modern world, it's almost a form of human testing that we haven't really accepted, but it's happening to us anyway.
If your child is online a lot, what signs of distress should you look out for?
It's going to be anxiety. It's going to be isolating themselves from their normal friends groups, from you. You're going to see them potentially not willing to share what they're talking about online with you. They're afraid to share with you what it's saying to them. That's a good sign that they're having interactions that are probably becoming inappropriate.
Meta plans to appeal the ruling, which could take months, if not years, to play out. And for context on this fine, Meta reported over $200 billion in revenue last year, and their stock price ticked up on Friday. So this might seem like a drop in the bucket in terms of a fine, but lawyers are saying there are more lawsuits to come. This is just the beginning.
Well, and I think that's the really important part of this. Like, obviously, this is one case, but there's thousands of lawsuits. States are coming against Meta. And then there's a number of other companies that also have lawsuits against them. It's really precedent setting here.
And this fund is only going to affect teenagers and young people in New Mexico.
Correct.
Okay.
But a good start.
A good start. All right. Thank you so much, Meg.